So the simple way to create a magazine cover is you open up Canva, you go to create new template, and you create magazine template. You can either use a template or you can create it yourself, but so I chose this one, and you're going to delete the main picture. For copyright purposes, I took my own pictures and just going to put it over like that, and bam, it'll be over like that. So let's see. Then you're just going to adjust it. And as you can see, like, it's on my face now, so I gotta change, I gotta move it. So like maybe I'd move it down there. Let's see, it's January 2021 issue. You can change all this. So say I want to do like yellow now, or maybe even white. Let's see, which one can you see? Maybe like a dark blue. I want something you can see because of the background. Alright, so I'm probably gonna move that to like right there. And gonna move some of this up. Soccer superstars. Oh yeah, see, this works because I got a soccer ball in my hand. Okay, so I move like this. Can actually group these. No. So if you hit shift, you can group them as one. And I'm going to put that further down. Now we have space to work with. If you want, you can leave that title. I guess game is a good title. It's alright. Could move this around. Let's see. Soccer superstars. Let me change that to color that you can see, because I want it to be the same color. Let's see. Okay, so those colors aren't really working. Could be too because of my shirt in the background. So I'm gonna move that. Just delete that. Let's see, center this some more. We could put something right here. Alright, so I found white works pretty much. Maybe the font needs to be changed like a little. Oh, there's all these. So I have the premium. So I have the CANVA, the monthly one. So you can definitely check that out. And I'm gonna leave that. Probably move that in the middle. Domain. I could leave that 2019. Everybody put the 2020 season. And okay, and let's see. You could just do. So you hold shift and it pretty much groups it. Those two that I have there. I'm gonna change it to world's #1 player, me, which is Tay. I'm giving myself a nickname, maybe like the Flash, and then Thompson. All right, it's on the cover. And actually, you could mess around with it. It could be like on the cover, like right here. Again, group it. You can customize it to how you want. Or if you're doing this for a client, how the client will want. That's definitely the cool thing about designing stuff. You can do what you want, You have the creativity. Oh, that doesn't look like a good place. Like, I'm so tempted to just leave it, Alright, and so there we go. We have a front page cover. Okay, it needs some alignment. Hold on. There we go. And there's all those tools that help you align it, actually. Alignment tools, so it's not so crooked. Okay, there we go. We got a magazine cover, the front. You can change the name. See these text boxes here. And when you click on the different words, there's text boxes and you can change it up. So you can also change the font to anything that you think would look cool. And what really makes it look like a magazine is this little barcode right here. So like people actually want it and it looks really cool. The thing about using the template is you see it kind of has like a glossy look to it. If you had just used a regular picture, it wouldn't show like that. Like, let's see. If I went to tools and I just wanted to put like the frame in like that, and I use one of the photos. See, use a different one. See, it's just gonna be like normal, like that. And you have to mess around with like the effects and the filters to get it to look like that. Whereas you see here, it just does it because it's a template. But this, you gotta like actually do more work, more creating. Nothing wrong with doing more work. That, if you're a creative person, you can put in all these hours and times and do it. But if you're on like a time scale or you just want something quick and easy, you could use the templates. It's always easiest to do. But yeah, Canva's pretty easy to use. You can make a lot of cool stuff. I've been making you could use Canva to make a lot of stuff. It's really cool. It's a really cool tool, and I have the what I pay for it each month, which is really cool because you have like a lot more clip art and stuff you can use. And you could look more into like the Canva copyright, but you could actually sell it yourself as long as you create the design. But also sometimes you just want to create designs for like your business, and you could hire someone to do it, or you could do